All right, let's see what Daniel's got. 0. Let's go. You do 2 tries though. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, go ahead. Let's go the same. As hard as you can. Show me.
Oh. Is he?
Let's see what you got, Jacob.
I think it was this guy.
No, let me see.
Ah, that's a bad grip.
Let's see what you got. Squeeze.
One hand?
Yeah, one hand. That's it. Squeeze. Okay, let me see. Let me see. Hey, that's pretty good. It'll start. And you squeeze it to the highest point. I think Leo's gonna do good.
Why like this?
Hold it for at least a second. Hold it for at least a second. Let's try again. Try again.
127.
Hey, that's pretty good. That's. I think that's the. No, I think Alex got 129. Hey, 129.